CV 104.9, Charlotte Harbor and the Gulf Islands Christmas Station. Time for our weekly installment of Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Shiner, answering legal questions largely supplied by you. I'll tell you how to submit a legal question in just a moment, but first, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Shiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing great. I'm getting ready. It's a wonderful holiday season, and I hope all our listeners are enjoying this holiday season.
Yeah, we still got a ways to go, but it seems like it's closing in awful quick, so please be careful. Like I said, there are holiday hazards on the road all around us, although today's question takes us to a pool setting instead of the highway. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir. I am ready, Todd.
Okay, here's what the email says, Bruce. My 12-year-old son was playing at a neighborhood pool when he slipped on several broken tiles and hit his head. He fractured his skull, had a brain bleed, and is suffering from memory loss. The HOA says they contacted the maintenance company they used to make repairs a week earlier and that it was the maintenance company's fault for not making those repairs. The maintenance company says it wasn't their responsibility because they had told the HOA it might take 2 weeks. My son has a severe concussion, a broken wrist requiring surgery, and memory issues. Can a lawyer help hold someone responsible? Obviously, this young man is seriously injured, and everybody else is pointing fingers, as they tend to do. What do you recommend?
Well, to me, it's a very simple situation. The HOA was aware of a problem, and they have the duty to provide a safe place.
Okay.
So even though they called the company to repair it, it would have been very simple to put some warning signs up, to put cones up, to put a rivet around the area, to identify the hazard so people wouldn't, end up the way this poor young man did.
Yeah. That's a very good point. They could have been proactive about warning people at very least.
Right. And the repair company has no duty to the general public. It's the HOA that's responsible to maintain the grounds in a safe position.
Right.
So this young person is entitled to be reimbursed for all their, and it looks like it's going to be a tremendous amount of medical bills in the past and the future, any lost income, and especially pain and suffering in the past and in the future.
You say lost. I'm sorry.
This is a terrible situation, and he has a horrific injury.
Yeah.
But they bought the farm when they didn't take proactive steps.
Right.
To warn the public of the hazard.
Now, you said lost income, and we're talking about a 12-year-old, but I was wondering, could it be that the parents, because the parents are going to have to take him to all kinds of medical appointments and help him recuperate from surgeries and that kind of thing, are they able to recoup that loss?
Yes, they are, Todd.
Okay, that's terrific, because, the family's hurting, obviously, right along with this child. Well, that sounds a little bit more promising than when we started this conversation. Thank you again, Bruce.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Todd, and I hope to be able to answer another challenging question next Wednesday.
We'll get right to work on it. And in the meantime, say hi to everybody for us, and thank you for your time.
Thank you, Todd. Bye-bye.
You take care. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Shiner, attorney for the injured. I feel much better, because you hate to hear about kids getting hurt, don't you? Here's the opportunity to do something about it. If you're hurt, reach out to the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Shiner at 941-743-7777. If you'd like to submit a question for future consideration, you can do that too through our website. You just type Bruce into the keyword search box or go directly to Associates and Bruce L. Shiner's Port Charlotte office, 941-743-7777. Please remember to tell them that Todd Matthews sent you.